Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 7, 2022 medium Sudoku. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 7, 2. First grade, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 1, so 1 can't come in these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column B, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 9, 6. 7th grade, we have 1 and 9, so 1 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Then column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 3, 5. 5th row and 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 1. Second row, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then third grade, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 7. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 9th grade, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 9th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column F, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 1, 9. Column G, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 9, 4. 6th row, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 5th row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 5th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 5th row, we have 1, 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 5th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 7th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.